We will now show you some of our traditional snacks. Let's start with some fruit. Today we have with us oranges that originated in Algarve, south city of Portugal, also a very often chosen destination for vacations by tourists. Bananas from Madeira, an archipelago very known for their bananas and a funny accent. Grapes. These are all around Portugal, but the one place that stands out would be Douro, where the best wine is also made with the same grapes. Peanuts. These were introduced in our cultive culture 6 years ago, and farmers were surprised by how well they developed, and ever since, we haven't stopped farming them and eating them for sure. Melon, that some of us eat with jam, which may sound a little crazy, but it is really good. Also, that leads us to some salty snacks that are just perfect for any summer afternoon. Starting with the chorizo bread, which is just bread with some chorizo on the inside. It is usually made in the streets on bread ovens the old-fashioned way. Also, some normal bread. You have some cheese. This one is special because it comes from one of the most recognized places of Portugal, that is Serra da Estrela. And for those of you that don't know, it is the highest mountain in continental Portugal. That means it doesn't include the two archipelagos. Olives and lupins. These two are always paired. The most common olives in Portugal are called the Galega olives and come from Alentejo. The lupins are usually eaten with some salt and for the adults with a beer in hand. Now let us talk about some sweet snacks. First we have jams. We like to eat them with some mini toast. It is a great balance between all the sweetness of the jams and the saltiness of the toast. We have a special jam made with quinces. It's called marmalade, and we pair with some cheese, once again mixing the sweet with the salty. To end it, we have some traditional types of cakes. Those are, and you know what, I won't be translating their names because it just wouldn't be the same. So, bolas de Berlim, these are extremely sweet and they have a really unique cream on the inside. Next, we have broos de mel, and in our past days, these would be made with leftovers of the other cakes to prevent waste. Some biscuits, and for our final product, we have the famous pastel de nata. All of our famous foods, this one definitely takes a trophy. These are the most common ordered from tourists when here in Portugal. We hope you ended up wanting to eat this and that one day we can actually meet up and taste these together.